Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here, I've got a brand new device that NUU Mobile sent me out. So I recently reviewed the G3, the G4 is just on the horizon, and this is the R1. This is their super protective, ultra rugged phone. Now, you see that it's got all the waters and the bubbles and stuff. It's got IP68 dust and water resistance, shockproof and drop proof up to 2 meters. So that's 6 feet. I mean, that's taller than the average person. So you can hold this up to about head level and drop it, and it's supposed to be protected. But overall, I'm really excited about reviewing this because I've never actually reviewed. Let me get this knife here. I've never actually reviewed one of these rugged style phones before, so I was super happy that they sent it out to me as a review product. So if you're listening, NUU Mobile, thank you very much. And for anyone who's interested, hopefully this will be a good video for you. Now I'm going to do a full review and all the other jazz just like I do with other phones, but I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing because, yeah, ever since I started watching YouTube videos on tech a long time ago, I was like, man, I love these unboxing videos because if you go to a store, you get to see the demo. Let me move that before I hurt myself. You just get to see like a dummy unit or just a demo unit. You never really get to see what else is in the box. What's in the box? That's the big question. So here we go, 5-inch screen, 720p, MediaTek 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor, 2 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigs of ROM, that's storage, 4,000 milliamp battery. This sucker will last forever, especially with the low consumption processor and the lower resolution. But it's pretty well built like a tank. This is built and more rugged than what even the Samsung Galaxy Active phones look like. So here we are over here with the SIM card, the SD card, got the power button up here. We got a covered cap down here for the USB-C connector. Looks like, I think it's micro USB. Yeah, micro USB. So pretty cool. I like this a lot. Go ahead and take this off. So, oh, it even has, looks like a screen protector on it already, so that's cool. Let's see what else is in the box. SIM ejector tool. Happy with your new mobile phone so far. We even have it in Espanol. Got the getting started guide. We have our micro USB cable, and we have a power brick. I don't know if this supports quick charge. Let's go ahead and take this out of the plastic. Let's see. What does it say? 5 volts, 2 amps. So it looks like we have basic quick charge. So that's good, especially since it has, what did I say, a 4,000 milliamp battery. So it should get you charged back pretty good in no time. That is a large battery for a phone of this caliber, but it's got a nice weight to it, nice balance to it. You see what we got here? We got power button, volume up, volume down. What is this thing? Oh, that's a headphone jack. Okay, oh, that's a headphone. I thought, sorry, let's see if you can see this. I thought that circle was the power icon. It's just a set of headphones, a headphone icon. Power button right here. Ooh, a little shiny metal screw. Turn this on. A NUU Mobile, powered by Android. See if there's any other information on the box. Nothing else in here. I'd like to know what version of Android it's running. Doesn't say on the box. I'd imagine it's probably Oreo. So, not too shabby. Of course, it's having a hard time seeing this because it's so bright right now and I can't turn the brightness down. So, I'm going to go ahead and play around with this. Of course, you'll get my initial impressions. I'll do a video on that here in the near future. And then, on top of that, I'm going to do a full review and all the other good stuff that goes along with it. So, super excited about this. Got the camera on the back there, LED flash. It's a sharp looking phone, simple packaging, not a whole lot that goes along with it. I believe they're selling for 129 bucks right now. So, let's see if it's worth it. Well, that's all I got for the unboxing video. So if you have any questions or comments about the NUU Mobile R1, or you want me to look at something while I'm reviewing it, then please go ahead and drop a question or a comment down in the comment section. I'll get back with you and see if I can address that. And as always, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.